Right, Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? My name is Shaiful and we meet again, and today I have a very interesting lens I want to share with you guys. This is my first impression of the lens, and this is the lens. This is the 12 to 34 millimeters f2.8G master lens. This lens just recently announced, and it is one of the Sony most widest ultra wide zoom lens for GM lineup, and also this is basically the widest ultra zoom lens with 2.8. So stay tuned. You guys have seen some of the photos that I showed, and also the time lapse I did using this lens, and I'm using the A7R Mark IV 61 megapixels cameras. Oh, amazing details, amazing sharpness I can get coming up from this lens, and also with the A7R Mark IV. When I first hold this lens, I say to myself, oh my god, it is huge, right? However, when you talk about 12 to 34 millimeters lens, it's always huge, it's always big. And if you compare with other brands, basically this lens is smaller compared to others. Alright, so let's have a look at the design of this lens. Okay, so this is the lens, as you can see, FE 2.8 12 to 34 G master lens with the G master logo. And we have the focus hole button over here where you can customize, and also have autofocus and monofocus button over here for fast reach. This is the focus ring and made of rubber. We have some rubber material on it, and this is the zoom ring, and also same things made of rubber also. Alright, and this is the lens hood of this lens. As you can see that the lens hood is quite big. Alright, that's the lens hood. And on the front side of the lens, as you can see here, right, is so huge and big here. And the lens is a bit a concave design. The lens is made of magnesium alloy body. And at the back here, right, filter compartment here where you can put your filters over here at the back instead of the front, because this lens don't have a filter thread so that you can put filter in front. So you can put filter at the back of this lens. Okay, so basically this lens use what we call internal focus, where when it's focused, it doesn't zoom out or zoom in. At the front side here, there's a fluorine coating to avoid any water can easily repel down. It's not affecting your image qualities. Let's talk about technology of this lens. This lens use 4 XD linear motor, which is a Sony best autofocus motor that is used mostly on Sony lenses. So this one has 4 XD linear, so basically the autofocus of this lens is going to be amazing, and it's going to be very, very fast. This lens use Nano AR coatings, so basically the Nano AR coating, what it does, it reduce all the flare and ghosting from when you shoot directly or there's a backlight. This lens have 3 extreme aspherical glass, where the biggest one is here. Basically, this lens have the biggest extreme aspherical glass in all GM lenses. And right now I'm using the lens itself attached to the A7R Mark IV, and now I'm recording at 12mm. So basically this is the view, and the cameras and me is just maybe like I would say about 1 meters away only, very close, and you can see that the angle is very wide. So this is 12mm, and this is 14mm, this is 16mm, 18mm, 21mm. I need to back off a bit. This is 24mm from the 12 to 34mm f2.8G master lens. Alright, let me move back to 12mm because it's much more easy for me to talk. Alright, so now we're back at 12 millimeters and it is wide, and as you can see a lot of things here happening, and as you know that the 12 millimeter will tend to create some distortion effect at the side here. See, my hand looks very long and those kind of things. From the first impression I did with this lens, I kind of love this lens. It's very good for those who love to shoot landscape, for those who love to shoot time-lapse, for those who love to shoot astrography, Milky Ways. This is one of the best lenses you should have. And for those who love to shoot sport, this lens have one of the best Sony autofocus capability with 4 HD linear. Yeah, it's 4. Right now I'm running an AFC and I move front and the back, and with the A7R Mark IV, eye autofocus capability is going to track my eyes very good using these lenses. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy on my first impression of the 12-24mm f2.8G master lens. It is a very good lens, it is very fine design, it is very robust, it does moisture resistant, the autofocus is very fast, and the image quality is stunning. So we meet again in futures. I hope you guys can place the pre-orders immediately. See you soon. Bye bye.